Beautiful people, welcome to day 10, the completion of our challenge, Beginners Yoga 10 for 10. Well done for showing up all these days to step on the yoga mat, to step anew into your changed, transformed life. Today's practice is themed around time. We'll start from a seated position. I'll meet you there. Yoga has transformed my life in so many beautiful ways. It is a blessing for me to share this soul transforming practice to uplift you, to inspire you, to break ground and help you feel free. Let's get flowing. Welcome, everybody. This is me time, alone time on the yoga mat, just me, the body, the breath. Reflect that in your own mind, affirm it within you, me time, self-care, self-love. We'll begin with the left leg stretched out in front of us. Nice, relaxed, gentle practice today. The right knee is bent to the side. The hands inhale up to the sky, lengthening. On the exhale, we make space, we make time to melt down towards the leg. If you can touch the toes, that's fine, but make sure you don't round the shoulders. Keep it high, shoulders away behind you, chest forward. It's not how it looks, it's how it feels. Close the eyes, bring yourselves inwards. Make time for me time. Breathing in, breathing out. We're going to lift up the head. Sit up tall, bring the eyes open. We're going to bring both hands behind us, plant them onto the yoga mat, and then we're going to rotate the body backwards so we can lay over with the right shin bone onto the yoga mat. We're going to enter Pigeon Pose. The right foot is flexed, the shin diagonal. The hips parallel with the ground. Avoid keeping up the left hip up to the sky. Bring it down to the earth. Bring the elbows down, forehead down. Pigeon pose, release. The forehead melts down on the forearms. A reminder to keep the right foot flexed. This helps to protect the knee. Keep the breath gentle. Making time for the body to open, to stretch. Flexible body, flexible mind. How often is our mind so solid and stubborn in time matters, with deadlines, with dates, with appointments? Some flexibility invites fluidity in life, invites us to remember the organic nature that we are. We're going to lift up the head slowly. Press the arms and hands down to the ground. Through the left, we're going to rotate once again from where we entered. Sit it back down and extend the right leg forward. Janu Sirsasana on the other side. Janu means knee, Shirsha is the head, so we connect those two and attempt to connect. Bring the left knee in. Inhale the hands up. Exhale, fold over the straight right leg. Remember, keep a tall chest. Now mind you, flexibility of time doesn't mean that we miss every appointment, that we keep others from waiting in our affairs in life. It means being flexible within us, inwards. Not rushing, not running, like the rabbit in Alice in Wonderland. Close the eyes here for a few more moments and bring the awareness within you, feeling The breath, feeling the stretch. Where do you feel it in the body? Blink the eyes open, sit up tall. We're going to rotate through the left to enter pigeon on the back of the mat. Bring the hands behind you. Lift onto the left knee. Shin bone diagonal inwards, so your right foot pointing out to the right. Flex the foot though to protect your left knee. Hips squared with the mat, not up high sideways, not like this, avoid this. Bring the hips over, flex the foot, forearms, forehead on the ground. And breathe here, close the eyes. I understand that this might be tense on the area of the hips. It might even be tense in the area of emotions. Emotions might rise that have been stuck and clogged for a while now. Well, emotions like flowing. It is us humans that like to keep them in one place. Through pigeon pose, through hip exercises, we allow things to flow and move. Just like running water, for it to remain fresh, it needs to flow. It needs to become a wave. It needs to become a stream. We lift the head up high, push on the hands to lift you and rise you. Through the right, we're going to rotate to where we came from. Bring the left buttock down, extend both legs forward, sit in front of you, make space to gently lay down on the backs, round it so you can make the landing more gentle. Kick the heels up to the sky, happy child's pose. The hands wrap around the toes on the outside, and from here the head lays down. Continue keeping or continue kicking the heels upwards, pulling the knees downwards, and then from here side to side, rolling, massaging the lower back, the spine. The breath is gentle, eyes closed so you can internalize the experience, so you can make time and spend time with yourself. Pausing through center, unwind, release the feet out in front of you in Shavasana. Closing our practice with deep relaxation, the hands to the side, shoulders away from the ears. Spend time here in silence, in peace, with your own thoughts, with your own emotions. Become aware of them. Look at them eye to eye, with confidence, with courage. This is time, me time. Release. Slowly returning back to the breath. Deepening the inhalations, the exhalations. And inviting movement to the hands, to the feet. Lift the hands over the head as you stretch the body long and open. And then let's roll over to the side of the body in embryo pose, knees bent. The head lays on the upper hand. yourself healing time, alone time in order to recharge so we can go out to the world with more energy to share, to give. Let's blink our eyes open, press with purpose onto earth to lift and rise to a cross-legged seated position. The eyes blinked, awakened, open. One of my favorite children's books, Little Prince. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eyes. Beautifully said, beautifully written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Forgive me if I don't pronounce it well in French. It's a wonderful book. I recommend you reading it. If you want, I have the link in the description below. Really well done for completing 10 days for our beginners yoga program. I hope this introduced you to the power of yoga. If you want more of it, please subscribe to this channel. I have plenty of videos for you. With much love from my heart to yours, thank you so much. Gratitude for your time. Thank you. Namaste.